All right, today we're gonna bring some spikes for your outdoor lighting. If you guys can see, these have a loop and the instructions are included. Also, these are the actual dividers that connect the two joints. Plenty of spikes. They do give you plastics, right? You got to remove these little plastics in order to spike them. Here's the bottom of the spikes. You could add the secondary. So we're gonna set it up and we're gonna light it up tonight. We're gonna set up our lights on it, and if you guys can see, they can actually hang on to the lights in there in between. You could send the ribbons or any kind of lines through it. Very simple. So include it with the instructions. We're gonna set it up and see how they look at night. As you can see, the joints, these are the separate joints. They have to meet, and you got to make sure that nothing is seen in here, so you have to screw it in. So continue screwing it in until you don't see any of this. There it is, super high, goes all the way up. My lights, I'm gonna go over the trees. You guys can see that there's one right there, there's another one there. So I'm gonna put it here so you guys can see the lighting itself. So it's gonna go above the tree level, high enough where it could actually light up the place. So let's go and turn them on later. I got the post set up here, if you guys can see them. So I got one here. You can see how high it goes. There's one here, and then the other one there. So I pretty much set up my lights out here. Here we go, the poles here. If you guys can see it, it stretches all the way over there. Awesome pole. I like it, it goes all the way down. Easy to set up. I hope you guys enjoy the video.